You've been saying nga your whole life. You just didn't know it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to hear it, say it, and use it naturally. My name is Aris, and I teach Cebuano. And this is my daughter Serena. She's half Cebuana, half English, and fully fluent in the language. Together, we are the voices behind every natural Cebuano conversations in this channel. So let's talk about nga. This is the sound that confuses almost every Cebuano learner. But here's the truth. You've already been saying it in English every single day. Let me show you how. This symbol here is a phonetic sound. Now, phonetic simply means it represents a sound, not a spelling. So it just tells you exactly how something sounds. And the sound it represents is the NG in nga, the same NG sound you hear from the English words sing, bring, and long. One thing to remember is that this represents only one sound, not two, not the combination of sound of the letter N and the letter G. Just one smooth consonant sound, and your mouth already knows how to make it. So let me show it to you. Okay, so for me to show you the NG sound, let's use the following words. Let's start with the word sing. You may repeat after me. So let's start. Sing. Your go? Okay, good. Now we will repeat it, but this time we need to go slow and hold the very last sound like this. Sing. Okay, your go. Feel that? That's the NG sound. The sound at the end of the word sing. Alright, so you just said it. Well done. So let's try another one. The word bring. Bring. Now your go, and I really want you to hold it, the last sound. All right, thank you. And the last one, let's try the word long. Now this time, try to observe or feel what's happening inside your mouth. So repeat after me. Long. Your turn. Okay, thank you. So that same sound every time. You've been saying NG sound your whole life, and we're just finally giving it a name now. So that is the NG sound. Okay, so now let me show you exactly what is happening when you are making this sound correctly. 3 things at once. So the first one is that the back of your tongue lifts up and presses your soft palate. That's the soft part at the very back of the roof of your mouth, just before your throat. Your tongue tip stays down and relaxed. Second is that your mouth stays gently open. No tension, no forcing, and the air does not come out of your mouth. And third, the air flows through your nose, and that's what makes it a nasal sound. To check if you are doing it correctly, say the word sing, hold it, put the finger under your nose, feel that warm air. Then if you're doing that, then that means you're doing it correctly, like this. Sing. So yes, I can actually feel that air coming out from my nose. So if you're doing the same, you can try it. Then it means you're pronouncing the NG correctly. Okay, so now that we know how to pronounce the NG sound correctly or how to produce it, here's the mistake almost every learner makes. Once they see the word nga, they actually try to pronounce it two separate way. So they try to create and produce the letter N sound and connect it with the ga. So it ends up to be naga. And that's not it, because as we know, the nga is produced at the back of your mouth, not the tip of your tongue. And there is no N at the start of nga. So just simply think of it this way. Take the end of the word sing and just add right after. No pause, no restart. Then you'll be able to create the nga sound. That's just one smooth sound. That's it. All right. Okay, so here is a formula that I created for you to produce the nga sound. So you have the phonetic symbol of NG. So you will produce that sound, then connect it to the vowel a, and you should be able to produce nga. Very simple. And as you see it here, you have the other vowels because this formula can work with those other 4 vowels as well. Because in Cebuano, we not only have nga, we also have ngi and ngu. So use this formula to practice. If you need help, then leave a comment below so I can create another video for ngi and ngu for you. Okay? All right. Because as a teacher, actually, I do really enjoy giving formulas because they serve as a guide. And once you have it, you will always know what to do. Now, let's see the formula in action. So let's start with bring plus a and creating one smooth sound that will produce bringa, bringa. So you can hear that nga sound at the end. The second one is sing plus a. So that will produce singa, singa. Again, you can hear the nga at the end sound. The last one is hang plus a. So create one smooth sound. That would be hanga, hanga. So you see, you created 3 ngas using bring, sing, and hang. Okay, so as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that you've been producing this nga sound in English every day. So here it is. Let's hear it in everyday English phrases. The rule is don't pause between words, just let them flow. Let's start with bring a bag. So it will produce one smooth sound. Bring a bag, bring a bag. So you hear that nga in the middle. One more time, bring a bag. Okay, the second one is sing a song. So it will produce sing a song, sing a song, sing a song. So you hear that nga again in the middle. And the third one is hang a picture. So that would be hang a picture, hang a picture, hang a picture. Again, the nga is in the middle. And the last one is long a while. So that would be long a while, long a while, long a while. Okay, so once you hear this, you cannot unhear it. You will probably notice this now in your everyday English conversation. So what you need to do is, if pronouncing the nga alone is still challenging for you, then try this practice. Connect it with some words first and do it over and over again until you will be confident to just produce nga on its own. Again, let me read that for you. That's bring a bag, sing a song, hang a picture, long a while. Okay, so that's really it. I hope that this video will help you in mastering the nga sound and learning the spoken Cebuano. So thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Bye! If this video has helped you, please like and subscribe for more. Daghang salamat!